Alright you guys, so my sister is going to do the job. My hair is actually really long right now. So it's really long. Did you really put it long? Yeah. Just to let you guys know, I am going to be changing the style of my hair. We used to always have one length hair, so now my sister is going to cut it and turn it into a U-shape hair.
When you say U-shape, you really have to like really cut it really
Oh yeah,
like that one.
Right.
So
just
she
have
does-
another shape.
Yeah, but she doesn't want to have that kind of shortness. So maybe just a little curve.
Yeah, a little curve.
Just have a little curve.
On the ends. Okay.
Let's do this.
Alright.
She always trusts me, so
Yes.
let's do this.
Okay.
Allow me to sit, you guys. So again, as what I mentioned, your hair is too thick. So it's so hard to get
cut
that, to get the okay.
As long as siguro wala lang siya, like, the flyaways too are gonna be gone.
See, this is what I'm telling you guys. There's little thingies down here.
Pwede mo siguro naman yung make iban sa kilid. The short layers would be like here. Kaan mo na siya.
Yeah.
Para ang sa dalong niya, duga mo na siya, hindi siya straight japon.
Oh, it's just that it's flying away. Look at this, you guys. Her down part is flying away.
Cut off the flyaways, Manalor. Cut them
So
off.
if we're gonna cut off the flyaways,
Mhm.
we have to do the U shape again. Get me?
Oh, na U-shape na? Is it in a U-shape?
Yeah, it's in a U shape na, but not really that U shape that you know you can. Do you want me to take a picture of it?
Okay.
Do you want me to take a picture? I'm the one, the hair groomer setups, but this, it's different. The hair groomer is sitting down, and
Yeah, I know, right?
it's
The client is standing
The
up.
client is standing up. Amazing.
I'm just sitting out, like, I think I've really bought a good hair scissors because I don't feel the struggle of the scissors. It's sharp. I can see the freshness of my ends from right over here.
Okay, so
Yes.
we're in this part now.
Yeah.
Here.
I actually like it because it's a new kind of like shape on my hair, and at the same time it's not being thinned out. And probably if you guys are wondering, like, why is the U shape not like really showing? It's because in order for that to happen, you have to really thin out the ends. But in my case, I decided to not do that and actually have a blunt cut. I think that principle goes the same as well if you are going to like have your hair in layers. You must like really thin out the ends in order for the layers to show.
But at least
side like that, it looks a lot healthier.
Ooh, yeah.
Diba? It's healthy.
Yes. It looks healthy. Yay!
Yes, you guys. Woohoo! Yay! I'm a changed person right now. Well, my bottoms have changed. The bottom of my hair has
Her
changed.
bottoms has
Yes.
curves.
Yay! Love it!
I'm so happy you love it.
Alright, you guys, so I hope you all like this video. I'm very happy with my new hair right now and my fresh ends. And of course, thank you, Mom.
You're welcome. As always.
Right?
And this is a new experience again. Doing the curve cut, you know,
Yes.
for the first time.
Right. And we're gonna be doing this again next year.
When you do those kind of hair shots,
Yeah.
it actually looks good.
I know,
Like the end.
It looks super healthy.
It has the curve. Salon hair commercial.
That is it. And I will see you, actually we will see you on my next video because my sister is going to be the model.
Yes, I'm
Next
gonna be
time.
tortured.
No!
Sorry.